you watched my channel and my videos for long enough, you know I do my own hair. And if you don't know, I don't get my hair done. Yeah, I don't get my wig installed by anybody else. I do my own hair because it's like you get to a point where you know what you want, you know what you like. And plus this is like damn near my job, so I really don't care to get my hair done. But since I moved out here to Houston and there's a lot of great stylists out here, I wanted to get my hair done, y'all. Like I wanted to do that. Like I wanted to give y'all that experience of watching me get my hair done by somebody else. And if somebody else is gonna do my hair, you know, they're gonna be top of the top. Okay, the best. So for the most part in this video, you guys will just be watching me get my hair done, vibing, and just seeing how it's like for somebody else to do my hair. Not only that, but get some tips from Yanni the Yanni the Lace Wiz, because she works magic with her hands the same way that I do. And we had great conversation, great vibes. And I can't for y'all to see the rest of this video and see this entire process, because I was loving watching it the whole entire time, and the end results were fire. I'll pop back in to talk about this hair a little bit. But yeah, y'all, this is what the hair looks like when it was wet and drying up after her bleaching the knots. And this is the hairline. Right. Built in the middle part, looked really clean. Her assistant was the one braiding my hair down and doing my ball cap, but this is Yanni here getting started on my hair. So yeah, I'll check back in later and talk more about this hair in the install, maybe a little bit, I don't know. But for now, I'm going. Enjoy watching, and I hope y'all get some tips and like write some shit down and like save this video, because you can see the technique, like watch and learn, okay? Because like I said, she is goated. Clean as fuck.
They tried to eat on this one.
Right.
Oh God, we ain't plucked this out and it's eating like this.
Like what?
This shouldn't even be eating like this.
Right. Are you shitting me? I gotta see how much this wig was.
And it's jet black.
Yeah. No! And that's the other amazing part about this fucking wig. Because I was gonna dye it jet black. So I'm like, if I'm getting my hair done, it gotta be jet black. Like, it has to do that. The reaction y'all just witnessed was so real, because if you know, you know, if you get wigs on regular, you buy them, you get them installed, or even if you do your own hair, some of these hairlines do not be super clean, like ready for you to wear. This hairline was magnificent. Like, it was so beautiful. We did bleach the knots, but that's all she did. Like, she plucked it a little, like the tiniest bit when she was doing my baby hairs. But y'all, like, this hairline is immaculate. Wow, and then this color, like, this is jet black.
Why can't everybody bring wigs like this?
Like, what? This is jet black for real. If you're like me, you want your hairline to look really realistic. Like, you're going to go in and bleach the knots. You're going to go in and pluck, because that's how you want your wig to look. Now, if you don't care about that stuff, then that's a different story. But if you're like me and you like your shit to look realistic in some type of way, then this wig is perfect, because literally all you need to do is know how to bleach your knots, and that's a very easy process. Like, there's millions of tutorials out there on how to do it. I even have one on my channel. Scroll down a tad bit, maybe a little bit, maybe for a long way, because I did post that a year ago. The updated bleaching and plucking tutorial is coming soon, I promise. Like, pinky promise. But yeah, y'all, like, this hairline was so clean. Like, imagine. And then if you do get your hair done by a stylist, like, girl, she don't have to do shit. He or she won't have to do anything. And they're going to be so happy that you brought them such a great wig. Like, yeah, these companies do be saying like, oh, it's ready to wear, like pre-customized, but they don't really be, like, not to this extent. So definitely check the description box for the information on this hair and this company in general, because if this lace was good for this wig, I'm sure it's the same way for all of their hair. But y'all, like, definitely invest in a good wig if you like for your hair to look really nice, and if you want a wig to last you, because I can just tell by the way that this hair was giving, this could last me a couple, 2, 3, 4 installs. Like, the density was really, really high. Like, the 13x4 parting space was actually 13x4 frontal. Like, y'all see, this is pre-melt. Like, that's just the first melt down. Like, she's not even nowhere near done with the melting, and it already looks really, really good. So yeah, y'all, invest in a good wig if you really care about, you know, if you bougie and you like your shit to be right, and if you like to spend your money on something that is valuable, like quality over what? Quantity. Exactly. But y'all, we was just really vibing this whole time, y'all. We was just vibing. Like, I can see why people get their hair done. Like, it's actually a vibe. When the stylist is cool, when you're like a social butterfly, like, or even if you're not, if you want to sit there and be quiet, that's fine too. But for me, it was really enjoyable because I don't be talking that much. So when I get a chance to talk, I'm gonna talk the whole room up. So yeah, that was it. Y'all gonna see me running my mouth literally this whole entire video. But I hope y'all are enjoying it so far.
Business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the back, your mind is screaming about us, so I keep it quiet. Keep it out, I see I'm the lowest of the lowest. But as if you can keep it, let nobody bullshit. Keep it out, I see I'm the lowest of the lowest. But as if you can keep it, let nobody knows it.
Fuck you. Real shit. I wasn't even on fuck you. But you trying to make me look stupid. I slapped the dog shit at the stop sign.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
I'ma tell you this one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Cause you make me feel this way. It's kinda like, whoa, oh, you make me feel and believe that we
a whole different setup. Like it's a whole different
The
vibe.
motion. Let me see.
It literally be the motion. It's like this
Let me
side
see.
be
Look
more.
at me. In the front.
It's like this side be more like swoop, and this side be more like back.
Yeah, I don't
That's
know.
exactly how it be for
exactly
me.
what it is. And it's like, no matter how much you try to change it, you just can't get it. You can't get it.
I've been trying to fix it sometimes. Like when I really want something perfect, I'll be like, fuck it. Like I'm just redo it.
It's like,
This side
really in the
be
back of my
like-
mind, like, am I just tripping? Like,
No.
does it really look that much different? Like,
It don't, not to people, but I know what you're saying though. Like it be different, like
this one
and
just
it
looks so
doesn't
much
make
smoother to me.
sense. It doesn't make sense because you're pulling out the same amount of hair.
I'm literally
but
making
this
sure
side
everything
always-
lining up perfectly. I don't understand.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
Bless up, 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 bless up.
Soon as I wake up in the morning, I see dollar signs. It's the only thing that's on my mind. Other than pussy, you can't put me. All these poor faces on me, I feel like Chucky. I don't even pay no dirty clothes, I need them where they at, yeah. If I leave the house, I can't say when I'm coming back, yeah. Ain't no sentimentals, I just walked out and blew some grass. You can smoke what you want, bro, just crash and pack. Look at this bitch all over me. Look at my wrist all froze. Look at my shirt from overseas. That don't make me no hoe. That don't make me more hopeful. Everywhere you go, they know you. Can't be antisocial. I can't sleep sometimes. I need peace of mind. Roll that weed, I'm fine. Cause I only be with dimes. If she with me, she mine. If she with me, she fine. Excuse me if I'm late. I'll be on CP time. Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to hide. Hey. 4S13, stepping on shit till it's quiet. He brought me the money sealed up, I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, 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 yeah, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the neck is a frame. Heard, whoa, 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 yeah, let's have sex in the nines, do it. Breaking and bending the spines, do it. I hate a privileged rapper that they had to hit 60 signs, do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Look at me dead in my eyes, you see all the times that I had to go slide. Too many sticks, we go to war with whoever ain't never been biased. Too many sticks, I was there, your ops, and none of them died. Pussy. Hold up, hold up. Why you pull up at 1 in the morning and sit on the edge of the bed? What? Texting emojis, tongue out eggplant, musta went over her head. Catch him outside of the studio, make him repeat what he said. Pussy. Yeah. Let's have sex in the car. The Maybach came with a bar. I'm wiping my dick with a bra. Snipe his ass. He got hit in the head for far. Ops get undivided attention. I give them my all. How you come over the spot when you know it's your time of the month? How? Make a distance. See how fast you go from the boot to a blunt. Listen. She say she hungry, I gave her dick for brunch. Send me my whole fee, I don't do back ends and fronts.
No, let's have sex in the bank. Telling her open a safe. I hate a privileged rapper who don't even know what it takes. The diamonds they hit like a rainbow, that's cause the neck is a frame. Whoa. Yeah, let's have sex in the nines. Do it. Breaking and bending the spines. Do it. I hate a privileged rapper that ain't had a hit since his signs. Do it. Niggas be full of excuses, act like they taking their time.
So fluffy, like I can just feel it without touching it.
She look like 90s R&B. Her friends, I guess, WV. Took the weave out and left it short. It still look hella good to me, baby. I'm the secret biggest fan of staying friends. We can chill with everyone. I need someone to move. I'm the taste of dog and touch you get so fun. While I'm plugging to the beach, baby, join me if you can. All these years never said a thing. Knowing me is probably not hard to tell. I could lose seeing you gasoline. All my nights sleeping well. Damn, just a crush. Damn, it's just a little baby crush. Damn, it's just a crush. Damn, it's just a little baby crush. Out in the street, I still hope you come and see for yourself.